So this is how you create your sales page on your laptop. So you go to this website. We're using Google Sites. So the web address is sites.google.com. Sites.google.com. So that is the website you visit. Okay, so this is for when you are using a laptop. So sites.google.com. Let's just wait for it to load up. Okay, so this is what you're going to see when you go to sites.google.com. So you'll see blank portfolio. This is because you can literally use this website to create these other templates as well: a portfolio, an event, help center, or a new site. Okay, so you will not see recent sites if this is the first time you're using Google Sites. So these are some of the sites that I've created using Google Sites. Okay, so for you, as you're creating for the first time, you come to where it says start a new site. Okay, so you just click on that. Okay, so this is what you're going to see when you open your new site. Okay, this is what you're going to see. Now this is what you're going to customize. So the first thing I do is add the title of my my sales page. So usually the title is something that the name of the product that I am selling. So let's say I am selling the visibility challenge. Okay, so I want this to be in caps lock. So the visibility let me just leave it at the visibility because I already have another site that is the visibility challenge, the 30 days visibility challenge. So I don't want to conflict the two since this is just an example. So that's the first thing I do. Okay, you have also the power to customize this text. So you can just copy it and then you can change the font if you want to. Okay, so you can change it to Arial, you can change it to Impact, you can change it to any other font. You can also increase the font size here. Okay, whatever size you want, you can increase, you can reduce, it's up to you. Okay, if you want, you can reduce it, or if you want, you can increase it. So you just copy and then you can increase the font. I think it was at 64, so let's just leave it at 60. Okay, you can make it bold. You can make it italic, you can have it underlined. Okay, you can change the color of the text if you want. Okay, so those are some of the ways that you can customize your title. You can also change this part here where the title is. You can change this. Let's say here it says you can change the image. If you want to add an image of your own this side, you can do that, or you can simply just delete this thing. You can remove it, or you can put a different header type. You can also change the theme of the site that you're creating. So if you go to themes here, okay, so we're using the simple theme. Okay, you can change the color of this theme. Okay, you can also change it to this. You can choose any color that you feel is okay with you. Okay, you can this is for this theme, or you can change the theme completely. So this is the Aristotle theme. So if you want, you can change it to that. Again, here also free to change the colors to something else as well. Okay, you can use the diplomat theme. So there are a lot of themes that you can choose from. Just make sure you are choosing something that you feel would make sense to the type of product that you're selling. So this is what I do. Firstly, I write my title. I then begin to write my my advert or my offer. For you to want to create a sales page, you've already written an offer or advert for that particular product that you're selling. So what is it that you have written? So this is what I do. So I go back to this part that says insert. I click on it and then I click on text box because it's written. I want to write down my advert now. So I'm going to go to text box. So for the text box, this is where you write down. Now I can't start to write down a full copy of what I'm trying to advertise here. So I'm just going to copy and paste something here. So let's see, let me get this advert that I did. Okay, so I'm now going to copy this and then take it back to the site where I was and then just paste it here. Okay, so I have been able to paste the content. So this is my advert. So the visibility challenge, now I am now advertising it with this. Okay, so you can move this up so that you see. So this is what people will see when they come to the site. So the visibility challenge, and then they will see the text. Okay, they will see the advert, and then because this is a page, or because this is what's the right word, this is a sales page anyway, I'm not going to be using this link here. Okay, if someone wants to sign up, I can now use a button that they can just click. Okay, so I'm going to remove this. Okay, so let's say I do this, so I can remove this. Okay, I think even this isn't needed, so yeah, so yeah, that is also gone. So the next thing now I want to do is, so let's say would you like to learn how I do it? Okay, and then maybe you just say something like click the button below, click the button below to sign up. So this is a challenge, so people sign up for this. But let's say you're selling a handbag, you can't say click the button below to sign up. You say something like click the button below to pay or to buy the handbag. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do, we're still going to have to be on the insert, but I'm going to unclick this part. Okay, so that we now go to the button. So on the same part here where it says insert, okay, you move down and then you're able to see these other options here. So you can now insert a button. Okay, so what's the name of the button? The button is sign up now. Okay, and then it says link. Okay, so this is because a link, this is where when someone clicks on the sign up button, where are they going to be redirected to? So you need that link in order for you to be able, in order for the person to be able to let you know that they have paid. So what you can do is, if you have a payment link, you can add your payment link here, so that when people sign up, click sign up, they are redirected to that payment link where they can make payment and everything is just automated. However, if you do not have a payment link, you can just simply use a WhatsApp link. So let's go to this website. If you've been following me for a while, then you already know the website. So if we go to wa.link, okay, so this website here, this is where we're going, wa.link. Okay, so just type wa.link and you'll be able to see this website. Okay, so we're going to create a WhatsApp link from here. Okay, so type your WhatsApp number. So I'm going to type my number, my WhatsApp number here. Okay, and then the message, let's say this person wants to sign up for the visibility challenge. I'll just say, maybe the person says I am ready to pay for the challenge. So this is what I want the person to say when they come to WhatsApp. Okay, this I will know. When someone sends me this, the next thing I'm going to do is just send them the payment details. So you click on generate my wa.link. Okay, now it's going to give you an option to copy the link. So you just copy this link, go back to your Google site and then just paste the link that you copied, and there you have it. So you have a button that a person can click. So when a person comes, they'll be able to click. But as you can see, this is small. It's not really showing all the words on the button. So you can adjust it. Okay, you move it. Okay, you can also move it so that it is centered. Okay, so I want it on the center. So there it is. Sign up now. Meaning whenever a person clicks on this button, they will be able to go to my WhatsApp and tell me that they're ready to pay. From my WhatsApp, I'll just send them the payment details. Okay, so this is how you add a button. So now the other thing that you can do is, there could be that you don't want to explain or you don't want to write all this. Instead of adding text here, you can simply add a YouTube video. So as you can see, this gives you an option to add a YouTube video when you click on this. Okay, yeah, so that's just by the way. This is to show you how you can do this with written content. So now, another thing that I like to do on my sales pages is that I love to add testimonials. So for me to add testimonials, what I simply do is, still on the insert part, I go to images. So here where it says images, I simply click on that so that I am able to add images. Now these images are testimonies of people that have been able to, use my product and they gave good feedback, so that this can show social proof that, okay, what I'm actually selling actually works. Okay, so I simply come here and then I'm just going to copy these images. Okay, and then add them. Okay, so the images have been added. Okay, if I want, at the end of this, I can still add another sign up button. So this is just to show you what you can do to create your own sales page. The best way for you to learn this and understand this very well is for you to actually practice. Try different things. Try to see what works and what doesn't work for you. Try, practice and practice and practice, and you would soon realize that you're getting to understand what is supposed to be done. So after you're done with everything, after you believe, okay, my site looks good, the title is there, my copy is well written, the sign up button is there, and it has a good link, my testimonies are also there. The next thing that you're going to do is just click on publish. This is after you're done. Now, the flow of how I've written everything is not a must. If you want, you can start with testimonies on the top. You write something, you add other testimonies. This is just for you to do what you feel is working best for you, what you feel will be able to persuade your customers to buy from you. That is what you are supposed to do. So there's nothing like the only style to follow is this. No, if you see my sales pages, you see the style changes here and there, but I have a particular style that I follow that you would know that, okay, this is how she does it. So you can have your own style. You can check other people's sales pages, see how they're creating their own, and apply it to what you're doing as well. So this is completely free. Google Sites is not going to charge you anything for using their site. So this is a very, very good way to actually save on your time. So once you're done, you come to this button that says publish. So you click on it. Okay, it's going to ask you to name your site. So I'm just going to say Busy, because I want to make sure this has not, that one has been taken. So Busy, let's try test. Okay, so this name hasn't been taken. So Busy Test, that is the name of the site. And then you go ahead and click on publish. Okay, so the site has now been published. Okay, so you can click on this view button here, or you can come here where it's showing a link icon and it says copy published site link. So when you copy the link, just click on this. Okay, so when you copy this link, it's going to take you to the site that you have published, where you can't edit like you can edit here. It's going to take you to what people are going to be seeing. So this is the link you're going to be sending to people who ask to say, tell me more about your product. So you send them to this site. Okay, so let me just paste that site here. Okay, so let's visit it and have a look. So this is how it looks. Okay, so this is how this looks like. So you see this pencil icon here. People will not be able to see this because they are not admins to this. Only you will be able to see this and be able to edit from it. Okay, so this is how the site looks like, and there you have it. You have created your own sales page using Google Sites. So give it a try and create your own sales page as well. Okay, so this is how you do it on your laptop. You can also try to preview when you just click on that icon. I'm not sure if you saw it, but yeah, there was a laptop and phone icon that I clicked on. So you can preview how it looks like on your laptop. You can also preview how it looks like on a tablet. Sorry, so this is how it looks like on a tablet. Okay. See, you can also preview how it looks like on a mobile phone. So for a person using a mobile phone, this is what they will be able to see. Okay, so this is it for this lesson. I hope it is helpful and I hope you'll be able to use what you've learned in this lesson so far.